This page contains a chronological summary of major events from the 2012 Summer Paralympics in London. All times are in British Summer Time. Calendar: the 29th of August. Opening ceremony. The opening ceremony took place from 2000 to 020 and featured public figures in attendance, as well as Stephen Hawking. The cauldron was lit by Margaret Maughan, while Queen Elizabeth II opened the Games. The 30th of August cycling women's individual pursuit C1-3, women's individual pursuit C4, women's individual pursuit C5, men's individual pursuit B, men's time trial C1-3, judo men's 60 kg, men's 66 kg, women's 48 kg, women's 52 kg, powerlifting women's 40 kg, men's 48 kg, shooting men's 10 meters air pistol SH1, women's 10 meters air rifle standing SH1, swimming men's 50 meters freestyle S5, men's 400 meters freestyle S12, men's 100 meters butterfly S8, men's 100 meters butterfly S9, men's 50 meters breaststroke SB2, men's 100 meters backstroke S6, men's 100 meters backstroke S7, men's 200 meters individual medley SM10, women's 50 meters freestyle S5, women's 400 meters freestyle S12, women's 100 meters butterfly S8, women's 100 meters butterfly S9, women's 100 meters backstroke S6, women's 100 meters backstroke S7, women's 200 meters individual medley SM10. The 31st of August Athletics Men's Club Throw F31, 32 51sts. Women's long jump F37-38. Women's discus throw F35-36. Men's shot put F42-44. Men's 200 meters T37. Women's 100 meters T34. Men's discus throw F57-58. Men's shot put F52-53. Men's long jump F42-44. Women's discus throw F40. Women's 200 meters T35. Cycling women's individual B1 km time trial. Men's individual pursuit C1. Men's individual pursuit C2. Men's individual pursuit C3. Men's individual C4-5 1 km time trial. Judo men's 73 kg, men's 81 kg, women's 57 kg, women's 63 kg, powerlifting women's 44 kg, men's 52 kg, men's 56 kg, shooting men's 10 meters air rifle standing SH1, women's 10 meters air pistol SH1, swimming men's 400 meters freestyle S8, women's 400 meters freestyle S8, men's 50 meters butterfly S7, women's 50 meters butterfly S7, men's 50 meters freestyle S10, women's 50 meters freestyle S10, men's 100 meters backstroke S9, women's 100 meters backstroke S9, men's 100 meters freestyle S11, women's 100 meters freestyle S11, men's 100 meters backstroke S14, women's 100 meters backstroke S14, men's 100 meters butterfly S13, women's 200 meters individual medley SM5, men's 50 meters freestyle S4. The 1st of September, Athletics Women's Club Throw F31, 32 51sts. Men's shot put F54, 55 56. Men's long jump F13. Men's 200 meters T42. Women's discus throw F11/12. Women's 200 meters T36. Women's 100 meters T38. Women's shot put F54, 55/56. Men's javelin throw F33/34. Men's 100 meters T13. Men's triple jump F46. Men's 100 meters T35. Women's javelin throw F46. Women's 200 meters T52. Men's 800 meters T37. Men's 100 meters T38. Women's 200 meters T46. Cycling. Men's individual 1 km time trial B. Men's individual pursuit C4. Men's individual pursuit C5. Women's individual 500 meters time trial C1-3. Women's individual 500 meters time trial C4-5. Equestrian Individual Championship Test, Grade 2. Individual Championship Test, Grade IB. Judo. Men's 90 kg, men's 100 kg, men's plus 100 kg, women's 70 kg, women's plus 70 kg. Powerlifting. Women's 48 kg, women's 52 kg, men's 60 kg. Shooting. Mixed star 5 10 meters air rifle prone SH2. Mixed star 3 10 meters air rifle prone SH1. Swimming. Men's 100 meters butterfly S10. Women's 100 meters butterfly S10. Men's 400 meters freestyle S6. Women's 400 meters freestyle S6. Men's 100 meters breaststroke SB8. Women's 100 meters breaststroke SB8. Men's 200 meters freestyle S5. Women's 200 meters freestyle S5. Men's 50 meters freestyle S11. Women's 50 meters freestyle S11. Men's 50 meters freestyle S13. Women's 50 meters freestyle S13. Men's 100 meters breaststroke SB7. Women's 100 meters breaststroke SB7. Men's 200 meters freestyle S2. The 2nd of September, athletics. Women's 200 meters T11. Women's javelin throw F12-13. Women's shot put F35-36. Women's long jump F42-44. Men's 100 meters T36. Women's 5,000 meters T54. Women's 100 meters T37. Men's 400 meters T53. Men's discus throw F42. Men's 100 meters T52. Men's javelin throw F44. Men's 200 meters T46. Women's long jump F46. Women's 100 meters T12. Men's 100 meters T54. Men's 400 meters T13. Men's discus throw F11. Women's 100 meters T53. Men's 200 meters T44. Women's 100 meters T44. Men's 5,000 meters T54. Cycling. Men's individual sprint B. Women's individual pursuit B. Mixed team sprint C1-5. Equestrian Individual Championship Test, Grade IV. Individual Championship Test, Grade 3. Individual Championship Test, Grade Iowa. Powerlifting. Women's 56 kg. Men's 67.5 kg. Women's 60 kg. Rowing. Women's single sculls ASW1X. Men's single sculls ASM1X. Mixed double sculls TAMX2X. Mixed coxed 4 limiter mix 4 plus, shooting mixed R4 10 meters air rifle standing SH2, swimming men's 200 meters individual medley SM7, women's 200 meters individual medley SM7, men's 200 meters freestyle S14, women's 200 meters freestyle S14. Men's 100 meters backstroke S11, women's 100 meters backstroke S11, men's 100 meters freestyle S13, women's 100 meters freestyle S13, men's 100 meters butterfly S12, men's 150 meters individual medley SM4, women's 50 meters freestyle S8, men's 150 meters individual medley SM3, men's 4x100 meter freestyle relay 34 PTS, women's 100 meters butterfly S12. Table tennis women's singles, class 11, men's singles, class 3, men's singles, class 6, women's singles, class 1 to 2. Men's singles, class 9, men's singles, class 5, men's singles, class 7, women's singles, class 4, women's singles, class 8, women's singles, class 5, men's singles, class 10. The 3rd of September archery men's individual recurve W1, W2, men's individual recurve standing, men's individual compound W1, men's individual compound open, athletics men's shot put F11-12, men's long jump F46, men's discus throw F35-36, men's 100 meters T53, men's 400 meters T52, women's 400 meters T54, women's shot put F42-44, women's 400 meters T13, women's long jump F20, women's javelin throw F33-34 50 seconds-53, men's 100 meters T51, men's 400 meters T38, men's high jump F42, men's 5,000 meters T12, men's 1,500 meters T11, men's 1,500 meters T37. Equestrian individual freestyle test, grade 2, individual freestyle test, grade IB. Powerlifting women's 67.5 kg, women's 75 kg, men's 75 kg, shooting mixed P3 25 meters pistol SH1, swimming men's 200 meters individual medley SM6, women's 200 meters individual medley SM6, men's 100 meters freestyle S7, women's 100 meters freestyle S7, men's 100 meters freestyle S2, women's 100 meters freestyle S3, men's 100 meters breaststroke SB11, women's 100 meters breaststroke SB11, men's 200 meters individual medley SM12, women's 200 meters individual medley SM12, men's 100 meters backstroke S13, men's 50 meters freestyle S8, men's 50 meters breaststroke SB3, women's 4x100 meter freestyle relay 34 PTS. Table tennis men's singles class 11, women's singles class 3, women's singles class 6, men's singles class 1, men's singles class 8, women's singles class 7, men's singles class 2, women's singles class 9, men's singles class 4, women's singles class 10. The 4th of September archery women's individual recurve W1, W2, Women's individual recurve, open. Women's individual compound, open. Athletics men's shot put F57-58. Men's javelin throw F52-53. Men's long jump F11. Men's 400 meters T46. Women's shot put F37. Men's 200 meters T34. Men's 200 meters T11. Women's discus throw F57-58. Men's shot put F34. Men's 1,500 meters T13. Men's long jump F20. Men's 100 meters T12. Men's 1,500 meters T20. Women's 1,500 meters T12. Men's 1,500 meters T46. Men's 400 meters T36. Men's discus throw F40. Women's 400 meters T12. Men's 1,500 meters T54. Women's 4x100 meter relay T35-38. Boccia mixed pairs BC4. Mixed pairs BC3. Mixed pairs BC1-2. Equestrian individual freestyle test, grade IV. Individual freestyle test, grade 3. Individual freestyle test, grade Iowa. Powerlifting men's 82.5 kg. Women's 82.5 kg. Men's 90 kg. Shooting men's R6 50 meters rifle 3 positions SH1. Swimming men's 100 meters backstroke S8. Women's 100 meters backstroke S8. Men's 50 meters freestyle S6. Women's 50 meters freestyle S6. Men's 400 meters freestyle S9. Women's 400 meters freestyle S9. Men's 100 meters backstroke S10. Women's 100 meters backstroke S10. Men's 100 meters breaststroke SB4. Women's 100 meters breaststroke SB4. Men's 100 meters freestyle S12. Women's 100 meters freestyle S12. Men's 50 meters freestyle S7. Women's 50 meters freestyle S7. Men's 400 meters freestyle S13. Wheelchair fencing men's individual foil, category A. Women's individual foil, category A. Women's individual foil, category B. Men's individual foil, category B. The 5th of September. Archery men's team recurve, open. Women's team recurve, open. Athletics women's shot put F11-12. Men's discus throw F54-56. Men's shot put F32-33. Men's long jump F36. Women's 200 meters T37. Men's shot put F37-38. Men's 4x100 meters relay T11-T13. Women's javelin throw F54-56. Men's long jump F37-38. Men's javelin throw F12-13. Men's 800 meters T12. Men's 800 meters T53. Women's shot put F20. Women's 800 meters T53. Women's 1,500 meters T20. Women's 100 meters T11. Women's 100 meters T42. Women's 100 meters T46. Women's 100 meters T52. Women's 800 meters T54. Men's 4x100 meters relay T42-46. Cycling men's individual time trial C5. Men's individual time trial C4. Men's individual time trial C3. Men's individual time trial C2. Men's individual time trial C1, women's individual time trial C5, women's individual time trial C4, women's individual time trial C1-3, men's individual time trial B, women's individual time trial B, men's individual time trial H4, men's individual time trial H3, men's individual time trial H2, men's individual time trial H1, women's individual time trial H4, women's individual time trial H3, women's individual time trial H1-2, mixed road time trial T1-2, powerlifting men's 100 kg, women's plus 82.5 kg, men's plus 100 kg, shooting men's R7 50 meters rifle 3 positions SH1, swimming men's 200 meters individual medley SM8, women's 200 meters individual medley SM8, men's 400 meters freestyle S10, women's 400 meters freestyle S10, men's 100 meters breaststroke SB5, women's 100 meters breaststroke SB5, men's 100 meters backstroke S12, women's 100 meters backstroke S12, men's 100 meters breaststroke SB6, women's 100 meters breaststroke SB6, men's 50 meters backstroke S2, men's 50 meters freestyle S9, women's 50 meters freestyle S9, men's 100 meters freestyle S4, women's 50 meters backstroke S2, wheelchair fencing, men's individually acute PE acute TA, women's individually acute PE acute TA, men's individually acute PE acute TB, women's individually acute PE acute TB, wheelchair tennis squad doubles. The 6th of September, athletics at the 2012 Summer Paralympics, men's discus throw F51-53, men's triple jump F11, women's 200 meters T38, men's shot put F40, women's discus throw F37, women's 200 meters T34, men's 100 meters T46, women's 200 meters T12, men's 400 meters T12, women's shot put F32-34, women's javelin throw F57-58, men's 200 meters T36, men's 800 meters T36, women's 100 meters T13, men's 200 meters T35, women's 200 meters T43-44, men's shot put F46, men's discus throw F44, women's 200 meters T53, men's 800 meters T54, men's 100 meters T44, cycling, men's individual road race C4-5, women's individual road race C1-3, men's individual road race C1-3, women's individual road race C4-5, sailing 3-person keelboat, sonar, cancelled, 2-person keelboat, SKUD-18 cancelled, single-person keelboat 2.4 Mr. cancelled. Shooting, women's R8 50 meters rifle 3 positions SH1, mixed P4 50 meters pistol SH1, swimming, men's 200 meters individual medley SM9, women's 200 meters individual medley SM9, men's 400 meters freestyle S7, women's 400 meters freestyle S7, men's 100 meters breaststroke SB14, women's 100 meters breaststroke SB14, men's 50 meters backstroke S4, women's 50 meters backstroke S4, men's 100 meters freestyle S8, women's 100 meters freestyle S8, men's 50 meters backstroke S5, men's 100 meters freestyle S10, women's 100 meters freestyle S10, men's 100 meters butterfly S11, men's 50 meters backstroke S1, wheelchair fencing men's individual sabre A, men's individual sabre B, the 7th of September, athletics women's discus throw F51-53, men's javelin throw F40, men's 100 meters T42, women's long jump F11-12, men's javelin throw F42, men's 200 meters T53, men's discus throw F32-34, men's shot put F20, men's discus throw F37-38, men's 200 meters T13, women's 100 meters T35, women's long jump F13, men's 5,000 meters T11, men's 800 meters T52, men's 400 meters T54, women's 1,500 meters T54, men's 400 meters T11, cycling women's individual road race H1-3, men's individual road race H1, men's individual road race H3, women's individual road race H4, men's individual road race H4, men's individual road race H2, goalball women's, men's sitting volleyball women's, swimming men's 100 meters freestyle S9, women's 100 meters freestyle S9, men's 400 meters freestyle S11, women's 400 meters freestyle S11, men's 50 meters butterfly S6, women's 50 meters butterfly S6, men's 50 meters freestyle S2, women's 50 meters freestyle S3, men's 50 meters butterfly S5, women's 50 meters butterfly S5, men's 50 meters freestyle S12, women's 50 meters freestyle S12, men's 200 meters individual medley SM13, women's 200 meters individual medley SM13, women's 4x100 meter medley relay 34 PTS, table tennis men's team, class 1-2, men's team, class 3, men's team, class 6-8, women's team, class 1-3, wheelchair basketball women's, wheelchair fencing women's team, open, wheelchair tennis men's doubles, women's singles, the 8th of September athletics men's 100 meters T37, women's shot put F57-58, men's triple jump F12, men's javelin throw F54-56, women's 100 meters T36, women's javelin throw F37-38, men's 200 meters T52, men's 100 meters T34, men's 200 meters T38, women's 100 meters T54, women's 400 meters T37, men's 800 meters T13, men's 100 meters T11, men's 4x400 meters relay T53 T54, men's javelin throw F57-58, men's high jump F46, men's shot put F40, women's 400 meters T46, men's 200 meters T12, men's 800 meters T46, women's 400 meters T53, men's 400 meters T44, Boccia mixed individual BC1, mixed individual BC3, mixed individual BC4, mixed individual BC2. Cycling women's individual road race B, mixed road race D1-2. Men's individual road race B, mixed road team relay H1-4. Football 5-a-side men's, sitting volleyball men's, swimming table tennis women's team, class 4-5, men's team, class 4-5, women's team, class 6-10, men's team, class 9-10, wheelchair basketball men's, wheelchair fencing men's team open, wheelchair tennis men's singles, quad singles, women's doubles. The 9th of September athletics men's marathon T12, men's marathon T46, men's marathon T54, women's marathon T54, football 7-a-side men's, wheelchair rugby mixed.